Oh, hey there, guys. Just to let you know, we're bringing us some gifts. Are you excited? Yeah? Okay. Are you excited for Christmas? You better be, because it's a holiday. And if you don't, then we'll just get you cold. Okay? Make sure you be good. Make sure, please, to be good. Like that video and I'll tell you about the answers about the elf on the shelf. Okay, one simple thing. You get it from Santa all the time. And then when you get it from Santa, you put it on that shelf over there. Over there. Because we got our elf on the shelf. And when that's our elf, so that's my elf. I gave it to someone, but that's the last elf. Like and subscribe if you want it. But then, second of all, you get the elf on the shelf. Then you put it on the whatever that is. But whatever that is. You put it on the shelf right there. And then second of all, you just wait until you go to sleep. Or if you're out the room, it'll walk to this couch right here. That right there. That is what it is. Because the elf on the shelf is on. So tell me in the comments what else is with the elf on the shelf. I got some videos, we're going to post them about the elf, and then, okay, bye.